Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing something a bit fun. I'm playing an Egyptian god card deck. Well, I'm playing against strikers, of course. I never go against meta until I'm playing something completely garbage. This is like my third time taking it. The first time it messed up, and the second time I got double Infinite Impermanence out of like a 50 card deck. So, which was really bad. So we're just doing normal Sky Striker stuff. So yeah, I played Egyptian god cards because I found a combo where you can open where you can get all three orcas. Striker orcas. Nice. I played the Dark Warrior variant myself. Again, using Isold because Isold is just so usable. It's just so much better. I just feel like you end with a better board. You can't really do any of your Sky Striker stuff once you have Orca stuff on the board. Good news is god cards can't be targeted. Search Babel, even though that's not the right play. I don't know what people are searching Babel for. I mean, Babel's good, but it's like you should be fucking searching Crescendo. It's a negate, but it's a quick play for your card effects. I mean, it's making a card quick play good. Yeah, of course, but it's not better than a fucking negate. Uh, like everybody's saying it wrong. Like you should always fucking search Crescendo. Crescendo is just so much better than Babel. It's ridiculous that people keep doing that. I don't know. Okay, skeleton, special summon this. Too bad I didn't go first. I call my way like stop some of the stuff, but also why didn't you use it? Like you should have activated Babel first. Okay? Like there's literally no reason not to use Babel first. I mean, it didn't really matter. Sorry about that. I'm a bit sleepy. Maybe he had Kristen on his hand already. Are you serious? Fucking infinite impermanence today. Fuck, I hate that card sometimes. In general, I just hate chat cards. I just like we don't have a lot of stuff to deal with back row. We need more back row removal. We have plenty of combos to stop, cards to stop combos. Stop making those kind of cards. Promote a healthy game. Jeez. Okay, this hand sucks, but kind of sucks. I swear to God, if I get infinite impermanence again, honestly, infinite impermanence or whatever would be fine. Ash, okay, that's fine. I have this. What could you possibly chain? Okay. I don't know what he could possibly be chaining. Are you fucking serious? Fuck. fucking bullshit. Everybody and their mom is opening up with an Inverminus today. Even fucking 50 card deck opening with like 2 of them. Fuck that. I can't fucking show you all the fucking combo because I keep fucking getting stopped. Shit, it's frustrating. I probably got kids watching, but jeez. You know, one of the ways I found to get around the pop-up thing is to swear a lot. If you swear, your channel can't possibly be meant for kids. Which is why I'm starting to upload on YouTube again. I'm gonna start swearing kind of a lot. But that guy, if that kind of shit offends you, get lost. I not get lost. That came out wrong. But it's like, if it offends you, then don't watch my videos. I wish you would. I love my subscribers and whatnot, but you know, I gotta make a living. The only way to make a living is not to be shut down by YouTube or the government. And it sucks because like I keep opening good hands. It's just like you getting stopped by infinite. This is a good hand. Really? Chainburn? Seriously? Swear, please play Mystic Mine. I keep going like against like back row decks too, like if it an impermanence. Okay. Wait, where did he go? There we go. Fuck you. I can't fucking show you how the fucking combo. Shit, this is frustrating. Like, I get that this deck is bad and whatnot, but it's like, when I actually open up with the freaking cards this many times in a row, and then just to get stopped by a freaking hand trap, it feels awful. Fuck you. This is someone different. See, that's that water thing. Why are you playing pro cards in your extra deck? So weird. Okay. Yeah, this is a good hand, I guess. I can summon Obelisk if I don't get infinite. Blue Eyes? Really? Like, that's old school Blue Eyes from like 2000 and when did the structure deck come out? It was like 2014, 15. I'd actually have to look that up because it's been a while. That was a long time ago. Shit, I should forget all about that. I'm finally able to show you how the freaking combo because uh I finally didn't get hand trapped, which finally it feels nice to be able to do it. So anyway, so what you do is you make ISO. ISO summons Edea. Edea summons Eidos. Eidos gets you an extra normal summon. Now you have 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you have this now because I was able to get Mali to the grave. But essentially, ISO Edea. Eidos is 3 tributes for the summon of a god. I'm gonna summon this too. Screw it. Um, Screw it. And he lost connection. Lost connection. So the power of the gods, huh? That Obelisk the OP. He didn't want to go against Obelisk. To be fair, it's a 4K beat stick. As you can see, I'm opening up consistently. It's a consistent deck. It just loses really bad to freaking hand traps. I might need to put like some extenders and I remember that name now. I keep forgetting his name. I'm not gonna accept his duel because I know what he's playing. I am not having any luck today. The universe is just not having it, I guess. Trickstars, noise. That's cool. I haven't seen Trickstars. Yeah. Not Ultra guys. Invoked Trickstars. I just never was a big fan of Invoked. Usually something isn't that good. And Invoked, well, it's a good archetype ish, but it's like this just isn't. They just don't do enough. None of the cards are like absolutely insanely good. He must be playing. He must be a Duel Links player. You can tell because he's playing this. Because he's playing Dark Magician. Like the Dark Magician, Chocolate Magician deck is somewhat a relevant deck in Duel Links with the Invoked engine. Uh, so he must be playing. He must be a Duel Links player. And while I play Duel Links too, I don't play deck from Duel Links because I realize that it ain't gonna work. It's not gonna do what I want it to. Okay. Really? Oddly enough, I still have it. I still have my combo. Because I can go Instant Fusion, summon Kaba, this guy. So you see, I don't always lose the hand traps. I can play around them, play around traps in general. It just depends on what I have in my hand. I do play Instant Fusion to extend combos and Reborn. I need to play more extenders. That's what I need. So I just like don't like auto lose a hand trap. But then that means I need more cards to stop my combo, possibly. So here's the thing. If he gets around my uh God card, I kind of just lost the duel. Please. That's funny. So like I'm just trying to like build a defense up right now. So that way if he gets around my God card, I possibly have something else to get a play. Like I have something to defend me. So like I said, it's consistent. So anyway, this video is about to be wrapped up. I hope you guys enjoy. Thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I've been trying to do like more fun videos because I realized that competitive videos, well, all my best videos, like they do really well. Um, fun decks also do well. So I'm gonna try to do a bit more fun decks, but I'm definitely not going to quit meta decks. Like I'm a meta player. I'm a competitive player, so I'm not gonna stop it. I don't care if you don't like competitive videos. Just don't watch my competitive videos. Seriously, just watch my fun videos. I do them from time to time. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. This is Jinzo signing out. Bye.